Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your LENOVO Tab P11 II. So at the start we have a Google Lens on this device, so we have two ways for it. The first one is by opening the Google Photos app. Now choose the photo that you want to search in the Google. Like this one, and now just click here on this little Google Lens icon and whole process starting automatically. That was the first method. Now the second one, we have to open the web browser. Then go to the go to the google.com, and now it's a very important step. Remember to switch your desktop, your web browser to the desktop side. Now tap on the camera icon and choose upload the file. Allow permission, choose the photo like before, click done. And now we are looking for the same or the very similar photos in the Google database. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.